3 things that cause engine damage. Autodoc. 1. Insufficient engine oil or late oil changes. When the engine runs, its components constantly grind against each other and therefore need to be well lubricated. It's important to use engine oil with the right properties and viscosity, as recommended by the car manufacturer. Always replace the engine oil together with the filter. You can do it yourself with the help of Autodoc Club tutorials and save money on car workshop fees. Keep an eye on the condition and amount of oil in the engine and check the oil level regularly. If the condition of the engine is poor, the new oil added during the oil change may decrease. Oil starvation can occur, which accelerates engine wear. Please note that oil loses its properties over time, so it's important to pay attention to the replacement interval specified by the car manufacturer. 2. Overheating. Is your engine temperature sensor warning you that the car's overheating? Pull over to a safe place as soon as possible and let the engine idle. While idling, turn off the AC and switch the heater on to maximum. Open the bonnet and inspect the engine compartment for fluid leaks. Overheating can occur if there's a leak in the cooling system or if components such as the fan, thermostat, or water pump break down. If the coolant is leaking, switch off the engine and contact a car workshop. Don't forget about the antifreeze level in the expansion tank. Do not replace it with water. Autodoc app. All car parts at the lowest prices on your phone. Try it for yourself. Change the coolant according to the car manufacturer's instructions. 3. A contaminated fuel-air mixture. The fuel-air mixture should only consist of 2 components in the correct ratio. Any foreign particles in the mixture can damage the engine. Let's take a look at how they end up there. The first cause is a clogged air filter. Don't miss the replacement intervals recommended by the car manufacturer. Replace the air filter more often if you frequently drive on dusty roads. Otherwise, you'll experience engine vibration, a loss of power, and increased fuel consumption. Secondly, similar symptoms appear when the fuel filter is clogged. In this case, the fuel supply is also highly likely to be disrupted. Due to this, the engine loses power, becomes unstable, or may not start at all. We've shown you the main causes that lead to accelerated engine wear or failure. If you avoid them, you'll save a lot of money on repairs. For more useful content, visit Autodoc Club.